Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and also talking a little bit about this Army Painter miniature model file set. Since I have started with my journey of building miniature kits years ago, I usually did use some kind of files that I have lie around the house, but certainly when I did start so more invest into Games Workshop Warhammer stuff, I did buy some more quality items, and I will try to compare them with this one. So recently Army Painter did release a bunch of new tools. This is one of their sets, which are three of these I don't know, maybe diamond coated files. So the model number is TL5033, which is right here. Yes, they are diamond files. Works on plastic, resin, and also metal. This is what you probably want to know on which materials you can use it for, and the diamonds are definitely good also for metal. These days we have less miniatures in some kind of white metal that was used years ago, but also a few companies are still producing them. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So these go for from $7 to $10, so nothing that much expensive, but let's see. So we have this triangular shaped one, it should be a rounded one, yeah, and the flat. For some reason they will give you only a more than half coating on this one, probably so you can choke up and do some kind of fine work. We are talking about plastic miniatures. They are really small. So let me bring out the comparisons. So in 2017 I bought these fine file sets from Games Workshop. They were released probably earlier that year. The price on this one is $17 or 21 cents. That is directly from Games Workshop. So if you have your local or favorite online reseller, you will I recommend buy from them. You will save at least 15, maybe also more percent. So here it is after how much? 4 years. And I'm not using these all the time, so keep that in mind. So let's see how is the bite on these new ones. So as you can see, these will take a lot of material really fast. Let's compare it with some kind of same pressure. So these are more fine, and also they are a little bit worn, so keep that in mind. These are not fresh files, but yes, there you can see the difference. So if you need to you need to be aware that these will take a lot of material really fast, so be careful. Apply moderate pressure on your miniature not to damage it. And also, yes, few maybe tips that I have been practicing or using through the years. So not everybody can spend how much, 10, 7, 17 so dollars, euros, whatever, on these kinds of sets. So I can recommend buy yourself a sheet of how it's called, sanding paper. So I have few variants of sanding paper. This is rougher, This is how much, maybe 800, so really fine. You can definitely use imagination, go to a hardware store and buy these sheets, but these will cost cents. This is 100. And also in the cosmetic industry, you will find such kind of emery boards, which is a sanding paper applied on a paper stick or a wooden stick. So you can buy them. You can find them on eBay or a cosmetic shop. These are usually used for your nails. So that is, if you need to fine polish a surface of maybe helmet or arm, then definitely these are really nice to use. And you can apply moderate pressure on them, so you see how much material is removed. But I must say, if you are trying to remove a larger chunk of material, let's say you have cut from the sprue and lots of material was left on the miniature, and you don't want to use your pliers, then definitely something like this that will nicely remove the material is good. And also, if you are into knives, then you can also find applications right there. So one more comparison. So here is my your tool box file. So this is how it looks used, of course. So these are really similar. This is probably not diamond, just a really hard steel. Is it steel? Let me check. Yes, it is. I have magnet over there. So these are also on a steel rod. So there you see the differences between a normal file and a diamond coated one. Okay. So far into my journey with the model making, I'm really happy with the armor painting products. I have lots of paints from them, and they are really nice, really good. So I can strongly recommend them. If you like, check them out, try them out, and you will see for yourself. Okay, so this was a brief video about the Army Painter's miniature and model files. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also stuff regarding my hobbies, my other hobbies like Warhammer and miniature painting and modeling. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.